Hi, my name is Vaisagh. I'm the co-founder and CEO of impress.ai. At Impress, we are just launching Vaisagh, which is aimed at transforming how recruitment is done using AI. In this context, our customer April has agreed to share about how their own experience with AI has evolved.
Hi, I'm April, President of Trainocate Asia. We are a customer of impress.ai and we're happy to be here.
We'll now move on to a series of questions to explore April's view of the talent landscape and how it's evolving. So at Trainocate, you're at an interesting space at the intersection of industry demand, employability, and training. So from that vantage point, how do you see the talent landscape evolving?
We're kind of seeing a paradigm shift from qualification-based hiring to skill-based selection. Employers nowadays, they want proof of applied skills, not just badges and certificates. So this creates a unique opportunity for training providers like ourselves to close the skills gap through emphasis on learning outcomes, lab-based experiences, and also projects that ties back to the role and industry requirements. So as you know, demand for digital and AI-related roles will continue to outpace the supply of talents in the market. So I think training and placement is a competitive advantage. So at Trainocate, we aim to be a lighthouse for the digital economy. So by coordinating education partners, government, trade associations, and employers to curate content, learning pathways, and also nurture the digital talent.
In driving to that vision, what role does AI and data-driven insights play in serving those goals for you?
Well, I think AI allow us to scale with precision, by matching the candidates to the roles faster. At the same time, also maintaining quality that is consistent for the employers to benchmark and reference. So I think in this regard, impress.ai has really helped us quite a fair bit. It helped us collect data, structured data on candidate hiring. Also, is able to allow us to access, benchmark, and develop some of these skills after training. So this insight really enable hiring partners to make database decisions and enhance the placement conversion rates. So I think with all that time saved, more effort can now be allocated to engaging with the candidates rather than just screening through large volumes of data.
In your view, what distinguishes AI that delivers workflow transformation from AI that simply automates tasks?
Effective AI adds strategic intelligence, not just efficiency at all other costs. So it should surface insights that helps to lead to better people decisions. So the goal is to streamline and not to replace. So AI should be empowering recruiters and also human leaders to spend more time on strategic advisory efforts and human connection. So when scoped and designed well, AIs would help to remove unconscious bias and leads to a fairer and more transparent candidate evaluation. So I think true enablement comes when technology amplifies empathy and consistency and not when it replaces it.
As AI becomes more integrated into the talent lifecycle, how do you see the human role evolving in employability, both for recruiters as well as learning practitioners?
Optimistically, humans should and will move up the value chain from process coordination to strategic consulting and storytelling. Recruiters and learning advisors will focus on interpreting insights, shaping the cultural fit, and also advising on workforce strategy. At Trainocate, our trainers and placement teams are evolving into career architects who connect the skills pathways into real jobs, right? So AI should only take care of administration. It's the people who's going to bring the context, the empathy, and foresights that technology simply can't replicate. Yes.
You've shared a bit around how technology adoption can be both impactful and human-centered. So for organizations starting off on this journey, what advice do you have for them?
Well, my advice is to start small scale, measurable pilots, that clearly demonstrate value. You can build trust and also internal momentum, not just go all out immediately, And I think it's also very critical to invest in change management, not just the technology front, because the people adoption is the key that's going to determine your success. And I think the focus should be on data quality and ethical design from day one. I think at the heart, we need to remember that AI should enhance humanity in the process, right? To enable inclusion, fairness, and opportunity at scale. At Trainocate, we see AI as an enabler of inclusivity, focusing on skills-based validation, helping us connect the right people to the right opportunities faster, at the same time keeping empathy and ethics at the center of hiring decisions.